Today, more than ever, it takes a team approach of local experts to assure all understand the benefits of this great present opportunity of homeownership. I often talk to my clients about the difference between cost versus price. If you are a seller, you must be most concerned about the short-term price, where home values are headed over the next 90 days. As either a first-time or repeat buyer, you must not be concerned about price, but instead about the long-term cost of the home. Let me give you the Kevin Martini breakdown. First, we have to look at where home prices are headed. The experts all agree they are headed up. In fact, they predict 4.5% appreciation in 2014 and close to a 20% cumulative appreciation by 2018. Second, we have to look at where Raleigh mortgage rates are headed. Yes, low Raleigh mortgage rates are here today. However, they will soon be in the rearview mirror. So what does this mean to a buyer? Here's a simple demonstration of what impact these projected changes would have on a mortgage payment of a home selling for approximately $250,000 today. Now, if you desire a total cost analysis or a deeper understanding of how interest rates and home prices will dramatically impact you, please give me a call at 919-274-3700. Myself and the entire Kevin Martini Group are here as your trusted partner with sound advice. Thank you for watching the Weekly Martini, and please share this episode.